Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a file in the movies folder of your phone. So as you can see, there are any files here, and in this case we're writing a file and also adding information to it in this movies folder. So to do that, well, we have to go to the Android manifest, and we have to add a permission. In this case is the write external storage permission, and that's it. You don't have to do any more. You can close it, and then well, you have to request permissions to be able to write something in that folder. So we have to specify the activity, which is this one. This is the activity from which we are requesting the permission, and we have to specify which permission we are requesting. And then we also have to specify a code for our permission, which in this case it is 1. This is the code for our write external storage permission. This is for debugging, but you don't have to worry about this now. And then we have to define the information that we want to add to our file. So this is the information that we want to add, and then you have to specify the folder where you want to create the file. In this case, we are specifying the directory movies, the movies folder. You can define another folders like the downloads folder, the documents folder, the alarms folder, anything you want, but we're going to be using the movies folder. And then you have to define a name for your file, and you also have to pass the folder where you want to put this file. And then you have to call this method write data, and here we are using file output stream to write data into our file. So we have to pass the file where we want to write the information, and then we have to use the write method to actually write the data. But to write the data, we need to turn the data into bytes. That's why we're using this getBytes method. And then we are printing the location for our file. And also you have to, well, here we are using some catch statements to check that there aren't any errors during the execution of this code. That's why we are catching them to be able to fix the error later in case there is an error. But make sure you close the file output stream, because we are not using it anymore. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now we're going to call the save method, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, before continuing, let me add a watermark to my video. So this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, we have to run the application. So if it's taking too long, I'm gonna pause the video and then come back when it is ready. But here's the application. This this is the dialog for requesting permission to the external storage. We're going to allow the permission, and that's it. We have run our save method, and we have allowed the permission. So now let's check if our file was created. Okay, let's go back and enter again. And as you can see, this is the file that we just created, homework 1. Let's open this file to check that the information was written. This is the information. This is the info. Okay, so let's open it. And as you can see, here we have the information, and this is our file. Well, this is how you create a file in the movies folder, and also how you write permission to it. So this is it.